Hey, what's up y'all? This is Kelly with Green Touch Industries, TrailerAxe.com, and I am back with a video on how to change the spring over to the other side in your domestic truck stake pocket mount. Now, it's a simple, easy task, quick and easy. All you're gonna need is a screwdriver and a 17mm wrench to help get this task done. So let me show you how. You're gonna take the wrench and you are going to unscrew this bolt right here and then just twist it and take it off. Now the plate is gonna come off with it as well. As you can see, it's turning with it. So once you unscrew that, then you'll take it off. Make sure you do not lose that plate. Now, next is you're gonna take the screwdriver, you're going to insert it right into that hole and push it on up. And then just a little bit more, push it, push it, push it, there we go. Now, as you can see, it has a little divot where the coil will be right sitting in there. So, then from here, you're gonna have it, you had it right here, now you're gonna turn it to be against this wall. So what you're gonna do is then you're gonna take it, turn it 90 degrees, put in the spring, and then take the other end and just smash it right on down, like so. Then you're gonna take this bolt and you are gonna screw it back in, and then you're good to go. So once this is screwed in tight, then you wanna take your wrench again and tighten it just so it's not gonna move, not gonna budge.